Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The 2024 Kia EV9, a new midsize electric SUV, earns a top safety pick award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. To qualify for the 2024 Top Safety Pick Award, vehicles need good ratings in the small overlap front, original moderate overlap front and updated side tests. Other requirements include an acceptable or good rating in the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation and acceptable or good rated headlights across all trim levels. Vehicles built after January, when Kia adjusted the aim of the headlights included with the Land and GT line trims to reduce glare, meet all those requirements. The midsize SUV comes with a standard front crash prevention system that earns a good rating in the Institute's pedestrian test, and the two available headlight variations are now rated good. Vehicles built before February don't qualify for an award, as the earlier headlights provided with the Land and GT line trims earn a poor rating. The EV9 misses out on the higher-tier Top Safety Pick Plus award because it has not undergone the updated moderate overlap front test. An acceptable or good rating in that evaluation is required for the E+. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.